Welcome back to the ticket setup series. In today's session, we're going to continue the multi-team, multi-department setup of Tikit, and we're going to connect the HR team to a mailbox, allowing for end users to send in emails to that mailbox and have tickets be created and assigned directly to that respective team. Now, in the previous setup session, we deployed Tikit to the HR team, and you'll see it sitting right next to the IT team here. I'm logged in as Diego, so I'm in the Tikit agent portal, but I'm in the settings area under the teams area. Now, when I want to connect this team to a mailbox, what we'll do here is we'll go over to the HR team, and you'll see at the bottom here, we have the option to connect an Office 365 mailbox. One thing to quickly highlight is that there is a full video on how to connect a mailbox to Tikit. It's a deep dive. If you want more deep dive information on the settings and how things are configured around this, I recommend go watching that particular video. But for here, we're just going to connect the mailbox and walk through how that functionally works once connected. So I'm going to connect the mailbox that I have, which is the HR help mailbox. And once I connect that, that is now live. And my end users can now email that mailbox. And when they do, tickets will be created. So I want to show you what that end experience is, but I want to highlight something before I do that. I have two teams now. I have the IT mailbox. And when end users email the IT mailbox, which is help, it will create a ticket and assign it to the IT team. And I have a mailbox now for HR, which is HR help. The other thing I want to highlight here is that all communication will happen across that mailbox now. So HR information will stay within HR, and IT information will stay within IT. So what we'll do now is we'll go over to my end user, Adele, and we will send in an email to create a ticket that's assigned to the HR team. So I'm going to email my HR help mailbox. And I'll just say 401k question on max contribution. Just an example to highlight maybe something that the HR team would be asked of. Now, when I send that in, what you're going to see here is that ticket number, it'll take a few seconds for it to come through. Ticket number 90 was just created. And Adele here received an email back with that ticket number. So that came from the HR help mailbox. Again, all communication is going to happen across that mailbox, stays within the HR team context. Adele can respond to that. It would update the ticket. But if I go over to the agent portal here, what you'll see here is that ticket was created and it was assigned to the HR team and the HR support group. So again, the idea here is that the email sent to that mailbox and is assigned directly to that respective team. This is where we're going to end this part of the setup session. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to email team@cyerson.com.